Hey everyone, it's Evan from Overly Informed again. I'm excited to show you some new additions to the store that I think you and your students will love. These resources are all about fostering deeper thinking, promoting student independence, and bringing inquiry into your classroom. Let's dive into our first new resource, the guided inquiry questions. This is a fantastic way to get students using their notes, textbooks, or even conducting quick research to answer key questions about a topic. Each question comes with a follow up prompt to encourage critical thinking and connections, helping students explain their reasoning and dig a little bit deeper. You'll find 10 thought provoking questions with a follow up designed to promote critical thinking. It's designed to be versatile so students can work independently or in small groups, and a full answer key is included to make your grading a breeze. The best part about these products is that they're completely free. Now, for something hands on and engaging, the inquiry based lab. These labs are built around a guiding question that requires students to explore and utilize prior knowledge to understand topics on a much deeper level. The lab includes background information, materials needed, a detailed procedure, all necessary printouts, along with a data table for analysis and reflection questions. It's an excellent way to bring active learning and problem solving into your classroom. Next up, we have the student led research activity. This one is all about empowering students to take ownership of their learning. Students choose a research question either from a provided list or one they've created with your approval. They then collect information from at least two credible sources like their textbook, class notes, or online articles. The activity guides them through summarizing their findings in their own words and includes reflection questions, asking them what was most interesting, what they still wonder, and why the topic is still relevant today. It's a perfect way to build research skills and encourage genuine curiosity. And finally, to give you the ultimate flexibility and value, I've put together the complete inquiry based lesson. This bundle combines all three of these amazing new resources, the guided inquiry questions, the inquiry based lab, and the student led research activity. By bundling them, you get a comprehensive set of materials to promote deep thinking, independent learning, and hands on investigation for a discounted price. It's designed to give you everything you need to implement a full inquiry based unit, saving you planning time while still delivering engaging and rigorous content for your students. So that's a quick look at these new resources. Whether you're looking for a structured inquiry, student-led projects, or hands-on problem solving, these new additions are designed to help your students engage deeply with the content. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments section below or through my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Until next time, may your coffee pot never be empty and keep on teaching on.